Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 5 with a broken display, and David here is gonna fix this for us, and let's see what's inside it. Let's go. So we all know by now that Google Pixel smartphones are the easiest smartphones to replace screens for. So this one is no different. So from the Pixel 2s to the Pixel 6, the screens on these devices are so easy to replace. As you can see here, we have a brand new replacement screen. We're gonna detach all the plastic covers. It is really recommended that you remove this before installing it onto the device because it can melt if your smartphone is really hot. It's also for the tolerance. It's really that tight of a fit on the chassis. We're going to proceed now by removing the old broken display. This is the first time that the smartphone has been replaced. The screen of the smartphone has been replaced, so we're gonna try our best to remove this as smoothly as possible, not to scratch the chassis. As you can see, David has cut a thick plastic from tempered glass just so he can pry this open. And with this metal tool, we're just gonna slowly cut through the adhesive. Kudos for Google for putting very quality adhesives in this one. So we have sourced a part for this specific model. So if you are the if you're the type who wants to DIY their own screen repair, you can certainly do this. But underneath the display, there's a surprise. So later on, we're gonna see what it is. For now, we're almost 50% on our way to removing this display, and now we have removed it. Don't yank it out just yet. There's a latch that's securing the connector to the board. We're gonna remove that and remove the board off the chassis. Now we're gonna clean off the old adhesives on the sides of this housing. Clean the workbench, and now we're gonna remove this piece. This one is an under screen earpiece. So how it works is it vibrates through the display, so there's no traditional earpiece on top of the screen. You can see that it's really smooth. There's a camera cutout, but underneath the screen is a vibrating piece that acts like a speaker. So when you take phone calls, it vibrates. So this is all the more reason to fix your screen right away so that this component can work properly. So this is connecting to the main board this way, but David is arranging it first facing up. This is very sticky, by the way. So we're just gonna put the replacement display on top of it and let it stick to it. It's a pretty nifty technique. So overall, removing that earpiece is pretty nerve-wracking if you don't have the experience. But David here has some techniques that he can teach us, show us through this video. So now we're gonna test fit the display. No adhesives yet. Just let us test if the touchscreen and the display is all good. So far it's booting up. Google logo. So far so good. And look at that display. It looks brand new already. You just fix your smartphone and then sell it off as like slightly used, but it really depends. It looks brand new on the front. That's David. Camera is working. All the components are working. Can show you the contact infos. on the phone app. We're shutting it down. So with that, we can remove the display, add adhesives through this liquid glue. But before that, we're just gonna test what the broken screen looks like. And there you can see there's a line going through it. We're gonna remove this one, recycle it, and then put some fresh liquid glue and install the replacement display. So if you have a problem with your Google Pixel 5 or your iPhones or ROG phones and other Chinese smartphones, just visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre, or you can visit us so that you can get a free quote from David. You can diagnose a problem, source the parts that you need to fix your smartphone, and then you pay a reasonable price, just like this guy did. So thank you for watching, guys. Click like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.